Hi, my name is Vee and I'm the Local Nature Partnership Coordinator for Blaenau Gwent and Torfaen. In this video I'm going to talk about how to manage a meadow for wildflowers. I'm going to start in the spring and take you through to the autumn. This is an early spring flower called lady smock or cuckoo flower. It's the food plant for the orange-tipped butterfly. Here you can see the egg. And this is the adult butterfly. Dandelions are often considered to be weeds, but they're a really valuable source of pollen and nectar for early bumblebees, and then seed heads are favoured by goldfinches and other birds. The only management you need to do through the summer is to cut pathways. As summer progresses, more and more flowers start to appear. Oxeye daisy is one of my favourites. Over the summer, why not visit some meadows or even road verges and see how many different wildflowers you can find. Ragged robin is another flower that likes damp places. Here you can see the buds of ragwort, and again considered a weed, but it's really important for cinnabar moth and lots of other pollinating insects actually. As summer progresses even further, you'll start to see things like thistles and these knapweed flowers. When you get to the end of the summer, maybe September or even October, you need to cut the grass. You can use machinery like this proffy hopper or brush cutters, but it's very important then to rake up the arisings. You're then back where you started, short grass for the winter. If you'd like more information about nature in your area, visit the Wales Biodiversity Partnership website.